One of the most common questions I get as a personal brand builder is, why isn't my content bringing in revenue? There's two reasons. You're probably not posting enough problem-aware content. Bear with me here. Your audience doesn't know they have the flu, but you're telling them that they have the flu and need your help. What you really need to be doing is talking about the symptoms of the flu. They don't know they have the flu. They don't know why they need a doctor. They just know they feel like shit. It's your job to say, if you're experiencing this, and this is your problem. I am your solution. You can apply this to a product or a service. Your audience is being entertained by you, not necessarily educated by you. They're not building any trust with you. I was a victim of entertaining content for a long time. I mean, it's really easy to get a lot of views on it, and it starts to make you feel like you're doing something right. But I'd rather have more money in the bank than vanity metrics. And of course, getting reach is all a part of a good social strategy. So creating content that has the opportunity to go viral is great, but I'd rather create the content that puts more money in the bank, wouldn't you? So if you want to create more revenue than before using social media, do something different. Show up every single day, talk to the camera, and understand how to make trends your own that actually add value to your ideal client, or don't use trends at all. The minute you start creating content that actually helps people and positions you as the expert is the day you'll start making money when you post. If you learn a lot from my videos, you'll love my podcast. It's called Social Equity, and you can find it linked in my bio.